Okay. Got a failed PVC lock. Alright. It's unlocked. You can see the gearbox is gone. Pretty solid. Hook there. A bit more somewhere around here. Yes, up a bit. Yeah, there it is.
Is he open or closed?
He's open, but he can't get the door open.
Oh, right.
Hopefully I'll have this open. Right. It's that one. There. That's it. Right. Yeah, right. Right. Take a look at the door. Lock's failed. There it is. Got a new one. This. Okay. Let me just get this. Oh, right, come back.
A few moments later.
Right, so about that, just on the phone. Right, so all I do is do it in the lock position. Both in the locked. Oh no, in the open position. That's got the wrong one. What am I talking about? Locked. It's this one.
Do you have any shop in your window?
Sorry, do I have a shop? No. No. Be nice to have one. But
You know, there was a. They used to have one shop in a Hart Center.
the house centre, that's just a shoe shop. Shoe repairs. Yeah, yeah. You get a lot of shoe repairers advertising as locksmiths, but they just fix shoes. You know, what they'll probably do is they'll probably subcontract the work out to somebody else and just do their shoes. Yeah. They'll never understand what key cutting and heel bars have got in common. It always amazes me why somebody who fixes shoes cuts keys. How are they related?
Now people, now what it says, there's a machine in the B&Q that cuts your keys.
Oh, those machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they're not very good.
No,
Apparently they.
it's okay for normal keys.
Well, what I don't like is that people are using there to advertise locksmith businesses. So they're like running a business from there, and they're not. It's just an automatic machine that cuts keys. So they're not even locksmiths. It's a key cutting facility. But
Yeah, if you have like a normal door keys, then you can go and make a couple of keys.
well, they don't work there from that machine. I was talking to somebody and they said they went there to get the keys cut there, and they put their keys in and they didn't recognise the keys. You know, and if it goes wrong, who do you take it to? It's a machine. Yeah, there's no customer service, no nothing. Yeah, it's like when you go to self-checkout. You know, you'd much rather go to a till. There's somebody there. There's nothing more annoying when you're self-checkout and the machine doesn't work. And you're like, oh. And you see the person, you know, down at the machine which is nowhere near you, trying to fix their problems. What is this? Not going in. There's something dodgy going on there. It's stopping. Nothing in the hole. I think once upon a time this lock was retrofitted on here. I don't think this was the original lock that was on this door, because it doesn't go on very easily. Come on, get in there. No, it's okay, that's it. Just need to get this bit in. That's it. There we go. Now this one's doing the same thing. Let's take the screw to put it in. That's it.
Look at the car parking, just each.
Oh, things are still get ticky because the wheels on double yellow.
Can you believe it, how hard we tried?
Okay.
You see, there's no lights. Lights is off inside the shop. There's a sign says closed.
And he still tries to get in.
Yeah.
That's not very good. Why is that not?
Is that maybe that one?
No.
Yeah, this one is from the inside one.
No, no, no.
No?
No. No, you wouldn't want the screws being on the outside, would you? If the screws on the outside,
Oh.
people would have a field day breaking in.
Oh.
I have been to jobs before where people have put them the wrong way around, which is quite amusing. That's it. Right. Take the screw up. Wow. Huge gap. Massive gap. I'm just going to have to adjust your hinge. There's a huge gap in the door. Okay, much better. Perfect. Right. Right, that's it.